हेलो गाइस, आज 11 जून है 2026 एंड करेंटली आई एम इन माई PMS विच इज़ मतलब जो पीरियड से के पहले आता है एंड लेट मी टेल यू इट इज़ वेरी बैड फॉर मी। मेरे लिए बहुत घटिया होता है मेरा PMS। इट इज़ लाइक इट जस्ट ऐसा makes me very sad. ऐसा मतलब I self doubt. मतलब it's a very negative phase that I go through, and it is very intense. So much so that it starts affecting my life. And yesterday I fully realized कि मेरे PMS चल रहा है because I was about this close to have a beef with one of my colleagues today. And yesterday I was having like a lot of questions and doubts, and I was feeling so negative that I decided to take work from home today, but I did not do any work, which was I've had very like my work is very complicated. I don't know how to explain. Like I have to take work from a sir, but taking work from him is a little awkward for me. It is like there's a very I would say awkward dynamic going on between me and my senior colleague, and that senior colleague is very senior to me. But yeah, so that, and yeah, so and yesterday night I was awake till 2:30 a.m. So today I decided to take work from home, and also I have very mindfully myself have isolated me from everyone else so that I do not get sad, because I don't know what anyone else is going to tell me or say to me, and I might get offended and I might get sad, and I don't want to do all of it. So I have very consciously isolated myself from everyone. I spoke to my sister today, but मैंने usually तो isolate ही करके रखा है. But today I did a wonderful thing. मैंने मेरे रूम की चीज़ों की जगह बदल दी, एंड इट हैज़ बिन अ गुड डिसीजन आई फील, क्योंकि मैंने मेरा टेबल सेंटर में रखा है. एंड द थिंग अबाउट दिस, द थिंग वाई आई शिफ्टेड टू दिस हाउस इवन दो दिस इज completely blue, and the reason why I was not really excited to have a room of my own was to make videos, was to completely focus on my YouTube, because I just like making videos. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि मैं स्क्रीन के सामने रहूँ. So आज सुबह मैं उठी and I decided कि I'm going to take work from home. उसके बाद I was mindlessly scrolling on reels. एक तो आपका मेंटल हेल्थ खराब होता है, ऊपर से ये एल्गोरिथम और ये सब इतना घटिया होता है ना कि even though you do not want to do it, you give in. So that's what happened. And then mindfully searched Vaibhanshu, because Vaibhanshu is one of those creators which I genuinely love. मुझे उसका वीडियो देख के I get so inspired. I think मैंने 2 साल पहले उनका चैनल देखा था while he was in IIM Bangalore, and I was very inspired by him. And a few days back I watched one of his videos, and after that I posted one YouTube video on my channel. So that, and second thing I did was there's this one more YouTuber, Via Lee, and I saw one of her videos where she was making a book review of a book. You make a book review of a book only, but she did that. और मुझे वो वीडियो बहुत अच्छा लगा. मतलब मुझे उसका लाइटिंग एंड एवरीथिंग मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा, and I thought to myself कि I can also do that. So I've decided I'm going to do that as well from this month. And शाम को मुझे थोड़ा काम मिला, पर मैंने वो नहीं किया. That's very bad girl behavior, but I am on my PMS, and उसके बाद periods, and tomorrow I have to go to office, but day after tomorrow is Saturday. Excited for the weekend. And another thing I did was to do junk journaling. ये मैंने बहुत ही in a single instant किया. After this my day got थोड़ा shifted in a good way. उससे पहले it was थोड़ा I was sad, I was scrolling, and I was not taking any action. In fact, feeding myself today was a complete new task. I'm not going to say कि मैंने कितना खाना क्या रखा है, but I did some journaling, and I'm going to show you. So first of all, this is the first page. This is Choti Bhamna, and this says hello, and this is a cutout of another picture जो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. By the way, this journal and a journaling kit was gifted to me by my elder sister Khushbu, so thanks to her. And then this I did, what the fuck, okay, sorry guys, and this I did on my birthday. This also I think I did on my birthday. मुझे एक close up view लेना चाहिए. Yeah, so I was like, this I did on my birthday, and then this also I did on my birthday, and then this was थोड़ा मेरा ऐसा अजीबो गरीब जर्नलिंग and then from here it starts. So I was in Mumbai last month for a conference and मैंने ये पूरा ऐसे चिपका है. ये मैंने होटल से लिया था. I was staying in Iconica, which was my first 5-star hotel experience, and it was really like those nights and those days were really crazy. Also, a few days back I took my first flight, and I actually took 4 flights. So मैंने उसके plane tickets stick किया, and then I just made this random page. This was made by my sister. I don't know वो इसकी पढ़ाई को लेके कुछ है, but I wrote my sister stayed with me and it was such a bittersweet experience. It was हम बहुत झगड़ा करते थे but we love each other. This is just random, like as I told भाई भांशु के मैंने वीडियो देखे and I was like just describing everything. Then this was an idea that I got from Viali कि I should also make book review. This was drawn by my friend's brother, younger brother. This was drawn by my friend only, and this is YouTube, and this is where I got the idea of making, you know, long form book reviews. And here I wrote idea on how can I do that, and then this is my TBR of this month, and this is the TBR of this month, and this I wrote today things I'm grateful for, changing my room positions. I don't know, मैंने कुछ भी लिखा है मतलब अपने words में. मेरी English बहुत खराब हो रही है, but yeah, so this was my beautiful journal. Okay, so I think this view is better. I don't know, I should look at but wait, यहाँ पे हाँ यहाँ पे it shows कि मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ. So yeah, this was my day. I did this journaling while I was sitting in my balcony. मेरे ये जो नया घर है इसकी balcony बहुत बड़ी है and it's very spacious and it मतलब maid आती है तो usually साफ करती है वो. तो एक छोटा सा बैठने वाला चटाई कैसे I don't know what to say, but एक छोटा सा था, उस पर मैंने बैठ के मेरे टेबल पे सारे सप्लाईज लिए. I also recorded a video, a clip of me doing that. वो एक time lapse था, but it is completely blur. So yeah, I also did that, and I like making these videos. But like the reason why I started making YouTube videos was because I like myself ऐसा in a third perspective. I don't know what I'm saying ऐसा, but forgive me for my wrong selection of words. But as I was saying, मुझे अच्छा लगता है अपने आप को एक थर्ड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से देखने में, because I feel usually like most of the time I am stuck in my head. मैं बहुत सोचती हूँ और मैं बहुत फालतू का भी सोचती हूँ. मैं बहुत क्रिएटिव भी हूँ बट मैं बहुत फालतू का भी सोचती हूँ. And days like this when I'm just at my home not doing a lot of things, and also I have मतलब कुछ दिनों के लिए तो मैं अपने साथ बहुत लीनियंट होंगी कि आई एम नॉट सपोज टू डू अ लॉट ऑफ स्टफ. एंड बिकॉज आई थॉट अबाउट दैट मैंने इतना बड़ा चेंज किया. मेरा कमरा अब काफी अच्छा लग रहा है मुझे पर्सनली. मुझे लगता है मेरे कमरे की फंक्शनैलिटी थोड़ी इम्प्रूव हुई है. Also I set my wait वो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी. I also set my I would say what do you say this display board. मैं display board कह देती हूँ. I also set up that. तो the day was good. मुझे थोड़ा अच्छा एडिटिंग भी सीखना है, you know, and I want to make some chatpata videos as well. And I like making videos. I don't make it बहुत ज़्यादा. And as I told कि मैं इस कमरे में आई इसलिए थी क्योंकि मुझे videos बनाने को मिले ज़्यादा. Also I hate this background color, blue color. I do not like it. But what can we do? Tomorrow I'm going to go to work. उसके बाद weekend आएगा this Saturday. Also let's give you guys some little life update. मुझे नहीं पता ये वीडियो कितने लोग देखने वाले. Usually long form content में मेरा उतना views नहीं आता. But I'm just going to like title this video as very ऐसे normal. मुझे नहीं पता ज़्यादा लोग देखेंगे नहीं. But let me give you guys a life update जो कि मैंने नहीं दिया है. मतलब दिया होगा. मैं नए घर में शिफ्ट हो गई. आई बॉट आईफोन. ये सब पता नहीं मैंने दिया था या नहीं. आई बॉट आईफोन. लास्ट मंथ आई वेंट टू मुंबई. लास्ट वीक आई वेंट टू आई थिंक लास्ट वीक या इसी वीक हाँ लास्ट वीक आई वेंट टू कोयम्बतूर. इट वॉज अ वेरी ग्रेट एक्सपीरियंस. मैं सोच रही हूँ कि मैंने कोयम्बतूर में बहुत सारे वीडियोस बनाए थे तो मैं कोयम्बतूर का ब्लॉग डालूँ. सो दैट वुड बी अमेजिंग. एंड आई एम वेरी एक्साइटेड टू journal, like document my life on YouTube, because I know a lot of people, especially the people that I know personally, do not watch these videos. जो लोगों को मैं चाहती हूँ कि वो देखे वही उन्होंने ही सब्सक्राइब करके रखा है, वही देखते होंगे. तो आई थिंक इट इज गुड. आई थिंक सबको करना चाहिए अपना लाइफ डॉक्यूमेंट.